Hello, I'm Maunder-Taylor and today I'm going to show you how to multiply using the Criss Cross method. Okay, so I'm going to start with a couple of demonstrations so you can see what it looks like. Then I'm going to talk you through it step by step and talk a little bit about how it works as well. Okay, so supposing I've got 21 times 43. I'll just go, well, I'll put a 3 there. Now the Criss Cross. 6 and 4 is 10. And finally, 4 2s are 8 and 1 is 9. So as you can see, this is a lot faster than using traditional multiplication methods like long multiplication or the box method, the grid method. But it also takes up a lot less space, which I think means it's a lot more fun. Let's see another example, but with some bigger digits. Okay, 7 6s are 42. Now the Criss Cross. 30 and 28 makes 58, and the 4, 62. And finally the 10s. 5 4s are 20, 26. Let's take another look at 21 times by 43, but this time I'll talk you through it step by step and explain a bit about why it works. We've actually got 4 separate multiplications to do here because each of the 2 digits on the top have to be multiplied by each of the 2 digits on the bottom. You'll already know that if you're familiar with using the grid method or the box method. So the first multiplication is 1 times 3. It's very simple. The next one is 2 times 3. Only it's not 2 times 3, that 2 is actually a 20. So instead of the 6, it's actually 60. And this 4 is actually a 40. You can see that very clearly if I show you the grid or box method. So that 6 and 4 is 10 has to go over into the next column. So I'm going to put it here. And then finally the 4 times 2 is actually 40 times 20. So it's 8, but it has to go over into the hundreds column. Plus the 1 is a 9. And that's how it works. So finally, I'm going to multiply together 2 3-digit numbers using the Criss Cross method. The technique's exactly the same, only you've got to figure out where the Criss Crosses go. Keep your eye on it and see if you can figure out the pattern of the Criss Crosses that I'm using. Here goes. 3 5s are 15. Criss Cross. 10 and 18, 28, 29. Next Criss Cross. 35. And 12 is 47. Another 12 is 57, 59, 61. Next Criss Cross. 42 and 8, 50, 56. And finally, 28 plus 5, 33. So the answer is 336,195. Do go ahead and check this on a calculator if you would like to. If you don't get this answer, it means that your calculator is broken. So thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoy using the Criss Cross method.